Ever wondered how to make a quick and delicious meal from scratch? Today we're whipping up a one-pan chicken and vegetable stir-fry, a perfect blend of succulent chicken and vibrant vegetables, all tossed in a flavorful sauce. It's the ideal recipe for those days when you're craving home-cooked goodness but don't have hours to spend in the kitchen. A symphony of flavors and textures, it's as delightful to eat as it is simple to prepare. So are you ready to dive into this delicious and easy recipe? Before we begin, gather all the ingredients you need. You'll need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 cups of broccoli florets, a bell pepper, a carrot, a cup of snap peas, 3 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of fresh ginger, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons each of oyster sauce and vegetable oil, and a tablespoon of sesame oil. With all our ingredients ready, we can now begin cooking. Scene script. Start by prepping your ingredients. Thinly slice the chicken breasts, chop the vegetables, mince the garlic, and grate the ginger. Now let's cook. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add the chicken slices to the heated pan. Give it about 4 to 5 minutes to brown and cook through. Once done, set the chicken aside. In that same pan, if needed, add a bit more oil. Now it's time for the garlic and ginger. Sauté them for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance. Next, introduce the broccoli, bell pepper, carrot, and snap peas to the pan. Give them a good stir-fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. You want them tender, but still crisp. Now, return the cooked chicken to the pan, pour in the prepared sauce, and toss everything together until well-coated and heated through. And there you have it! Your delicious stir-fry is ready to be served. Serve your delicious stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles. A perfect symphony of flavors in one pan, effortlessly tailored to your taste. And that's how you make a quick and delicious one-pan chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Cooking from scratch doesn't have to be complicated. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily cooking inspiration. Happy cooking, and see you next time.